to my channel. Today I'm doing my very first Fab Fit Fun unboxing. Most of you have probably heard of this subscription. I've heard of it so many times and I finally ordered it, but I haven't opened it yet, and this is the summer one. So I'll just tell you a little bit about the subscription. Most of y'all already know about it, but if you don't, here we go. So this is a subscription that comes every quarter, okay? So it's a quarterly subscription, so every 3 months for $49.99, and it is a lifestyle subscription. So you get different types of items. I will open my box and then you'll get a kind of an idea of what I mean by lifestyle subscription. So this was the first one I've ever done. I've usually done like makeup subscriptions or jewelry subscriptions. So I was really interested in doing a lifestyle subscription. So this is why I signed up to this. $49.99 is expensive, but doing it quarterly wasn't too bad, because then it, if you do the math, it's, like I said, it's every 3 months instead of monthly. It's not that bad. Okay, but the amount of product you get in there, how much it adds up to, I think this box, when I looked on the website, the total that I got was over $300 worth of items. Now, fall is still open, so I will put my link in the description below. If you use my link, you will save $10 off your very first subscription. So I think that's pretty cool. So you'll get to check them out for $39.99 for your first quarter. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, then you cancel. That's how I see it. That's exactly what I chose to do. And so anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you what summer was like so you can get an idea, and go ahead and check them out and see what fall's looking like. There will be items once you sign up where they'll ask you, okay, would you rather have this item, or this item? And you can personalize some of the items in your box. And so I like that a lot. So you'll get to see some of the items that I personalize, some of the items you don't, and they're surprises. So anyway, it's been a while since I picked mine out. I've been waiting to film this till the right time, and I think today's the right time, now that I know the fall one's already starting to ship out. So alright, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. It is a really big box. So for your money, you are getting every cent back. So it comes with its own little magazine for Fab Fit Fun. So this was an exclusive Eva Longoria one. Okay. There's a HelloFresh, America's #1 meal kit, an $80 gift card in there for HelloFresh, so that's cool. Alright, now let's open it up. Alright, so this is the first item. I'm just going to grab as I see. There's no particular order. Let me see if this I think the magazine tells me what everything is. Let me make sure. Yeah. Okay. And some of the stuff I picked is really cool. I just hope it didn't break. Okay, so this says Jennifer Zuner Jewelry. So that was one of the items I picked out. So it says Jennifer Zuner Star Double Necklace. Starlight, Star Bright. There are 1,000,001 ways to style a dainty, timeless necklace like this one. So this is a $50 necklace that I picked out. I'll go ahead and open it up. I just remember I thought this was really cute, and it is very dainty. It's a simple necklace. Okay, so that's what this looks like. So it's one of those necklaces that's layered. You see that, and it has these beautiful stars. So that's really pretty. That's a $50 necklace. I would definitely wear that. I think it's gorgeous. Okay, so that's item number one. So already a $50 item, and again, the box was $49.99. I used somebody's code. I got it for $39.99. Same thing you would get if you used my code. So keep that in mind. But that was just item number one. And again, this was something that I picked. There were options, but you'll pick what works for you. So these are Invisibobble. It's the traceless hair ring. So it's meant to tie your hair up, and basically it keeps your hair from getting like any indentions. A lot of subscription boxes have been using these, and none have sent me any, so I'm really excited to finally get some to try. And this is a pack of 6, so 3 are the invisible color, and 3 are kind of like a nude peachish color. So that's really cool that I'll get to try that. Let's see how much those cost. Okay, so the price for those is, let's see, it says Invisibobble Original Duo Pack, the answer to all your ponytail problems. This revolutionary hair tool provides a strong grip yet leaves your hair traceless. $16. So $16 for this. So I'm doing pretty good price-wise. I've already made my money back, and these are items that I would use, so I love that. So is this kind of giving you an idea of lifestyle? Like, it's not just makeup or jewelry or, you know, it's just different things. So that was for my hair. The first one was jewelry. Let's see what the next one is. Okay. So this one is exfoliating foot mask. Oh, here, I'll show you the front. How about that? Okay, so it says Wish. Powerfully effective naturals, coconut milk and verbena exfoliating foot mask, smooths and softens intense hydration. Okay, so this appears to be a full size of that. So let me see what it says. All right. Get your feet sandal ready. Natural ingredients like willow bark extract and pumpkin seed exfoliate and polish for your softest feet ever. And that's a $32 foot scrub, guys. I'm gonna be scrubbing the hell out of these feet with a $32 foot scrub. So that's what the actual bottle looks like. I want to smell it. It's probably, yeah, it has a seal. Yeah, that smells good. Okay. Fab Fit Fun. Kind of has like a coconut. Has a coconut smell to me, kind of. I don't know. I like it. All right. Here's the next thing. So this says Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. Apparently, I need a whole lot of healing. My feet need healing. Let's see what this says. Safe, smart, selective, sustainable directions. Apply liberally to dry or damaged skin, lips, and nails to aid in healing. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what the price of this one is. Dr. Rogers. Okay, Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. Multitasking at its finest. The all-natural balm soothes and heals dry or damaged skin. Use it to relieve burns, scrapes, post-procedure skin. So basically if you have like an operation or something, and more. And that's $30. I definitely got my money back. I'm probably going to say that after every item, just so you know I got my money back. Because that's important that we get our money back, guys. Alright, so this is the next item. I'm very happy that I signed up for this. I don't know why I put it off for so long. Everybody kept saying, you don't get Fab Fit Fun. I was like, no. Well, yeah, I was tripping. Okay, so this is Grace and Stella Spray All Day. And it's rose spray, hydrating rose facial spray. And it's sealed completely up. So I'm not going to open it because I already... This video is already 12.5 minutes long, and y'all know I ramble anyway. Grace and Stella, let's see. Where are you? Grace and Stella Rose Facial Spray. Craving a midday refresher? Just a spritz of the rose-infused mist will leave you with a fresh and moisturized face. $25.95. So, again, can y'all say it with me? I got my money back. Okay. I see the items I was really looking forward to, but I hope they're not broken. But I'm going to save those. I'm going to save those probably for last or close to last. All right, so this was a mystery choice. So see how it has a little question mark and the mystery choice? So let's see what this was. It's in bubble wrap. Okay. That's what that is. I'm just going to wing it. I think it says Cuccio. Don't blame me if, if I'm wrong, but it looks like it says Cuccio. Okay, guys? Don't blame the reader, the moderator, or whatever I am, but that's what it looks like it says. So it says Somatology Yoga, Cooling Spot Therapy with Peppermint and Green Tea. I love mint, and I just love the smell of mint, period. Okay. Temple rub for clarity and peace of mind. Oh, I need this with these kids. Y'all don't even know. Rub the hell out of these temples. Cuccio, where you at? Cuccio. Okay, so all it says is mystery item. What could it be? A palette, trigger ball, or maybe a primer? We love a good mystery, and we promise this is a good one. And it says $24. So this was mine, and I guess it was $24. So I'm going to smell this, because I love mint. Ooh, this smells good. This smells really good. Woo! It smells like a York peppermint patty. It smells so good. I put it on my wrist like it was perfume. Who knew? I don't know. I just do stuff. All right, here's the next thing. Guys, there's so much stuff in here. And I think it's guaranteed 6 to 8 products when you order from them every quarter, okay? So, Generation Clay, Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. This would be fun to play with. All right. Packed with Davidson Plum, the purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. And this retails for $39. Okay, now on to my last 2 items that I was excited about. Okay, so I'm going to do this one first. So this was a kimono, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's see. And the name of it cracked me up. Okay, so it's called Spiritual Gangster Maya Kimono, okay? It says made of spun rayon fabric for a cooling effect. This kimono is a summer essential that can be dressed up or down. It features silky, comfortable front pockets and a belt, so you can wear it multiple ways. So, this is what it looks like. I'm going to open it up for you guys. Is that not beautiful? The gangster kimono, spiritual gangster. This is the funniest name. I don't know why the hell spiritual and gangster go together, but we love it. Okay, and that is a $60 kimono. So it's not a cheap kimono. It's very pretty. Okay, I was excited about these. I don't know if anybody else ordered these that I know, but I did because I thought they were cute. Okay, so this is what they look like. And they're a set of 3 indigo tie-dye balls. Now, says, three's a charm. Whether you use the gorgeous tie-dye balls as home decor or to serve your favorite snacks, this set is sure to impress your guests. So this set of 3 bowls is worth $39 as well. So. These are really pretty. I don't own anything like this. This is so fancy. And they're even like tied up for you. Very pretty. I kind of like these as like to put like dipping sauce, or I don't know, you can do whatever you want. Look how stunning that is. I could give that as a gift to somebody for Christmas, whatever I want. Here's the second size. And last but not least, here's the third one. I think these are gorgeous. Okay guys, so that's my first ever Fab Fit Fun. The fall one should be coming soon. I can't wait to show you guys. I screwed up and I missed the window where I was supposed to pick the things that I wanted. So that one's going to be a complete mystery to me, and I'll see what they picked for me. So anyways, don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. I love you. If you're interested in signing up, please use the link in my description box and save $10. Have a good night.